Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech. In this episode, we will go over the installation and setup of a humidity control sensor on reheat models with clear control. The reheat unit with clear control requires a specific humidity sensor. This humidity sensor has a 0 to 10 volt DC output. Humidity sensors or thermostats that provide milliamp or switched outputs are not compatible with clear control. Two models of compatible sensors are available: the RHC ZNS4, a humidity-only sensor, or an RHC ZNS5, a humidity and temperature sensor. Both of these must be installed on a wall inside the space that is being conditioned. To install and connect the sensor, run a 5-conductor 18-gauge thermostat wire from the control panel in the rooftop unit to the space where the sensor will be installed. Locate the wire and mount the back plate of the sensor to the wall using appropriate fasteners. Connect the white and yellow wires to the temp plus and the temp minus terminals on the back of the sensor. Connect the green wire to the ground or GND terminal. Connect the red wire to the V plus terminal, and connect the blue wire to the V out terminal. Securely tighten all connections. Attach the sensor to the wall plate and secure by turning the 2 Allen screws at the bottom of the sensor counterclockwise. At the rooftop unit, turn off the power. Connect the white and yellow wires for the temperature sensor to the 2 leftmost terminals on the green T7 terminal block on the clear control. These 2 positions are marked with an S. Connect the blue V-out wire to the 3rd terminal from the right. This is marked with F-config2. Connect the green wire to the last terminal on the right for F-config2. And connect the red V plus wire to the R terminal on the thermostat terminal block. Power on the unit and proceed to the humidity control menu. Ensure that humidity control is enabled. If it is disabled, press the middle button to enable it. Press the down arrow to the RH set point. This is the humidity set point desired in the space. Use the middle button to set and the up and down arrows to adjust this as needed. Press the down arrow and go to the indoor RH. This is the relative humidity that the sensor is reporting for the space. If this is reading just 4%, then check all terminal and wiring connections. Press the down arrow to reheat mode. This is the reheat operating mode. There are 3 options. Occupied, the unit will only run dehumidification when there is a fan call present. This is the factory default setting. Unoccupied, the unit will only run dehumidification when there is no fan call present. Or all. The unit will run dehumidification as needed regardless of the fan call. All is the recommended setting for most applications. Note, on single-stage cooling models, a cooling call will disable dehumidification. On 2-stage cooling models, a second-stage cooling call will also disable dehumidification. If the outdoor air temperature is below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, dehumidification will be disabled. Additionally, it is also recommended that the humidity control function of typical thermostats be disabled, as this can cause an interruption in the dehumidification operation of the clear control. This concludes this episode of the 2-Minute Tech.